So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Toyota Venza, and this thing features a few drive modes, and I just wanted to take a moment to showcase how to enable them and what they kind of changed. Most of it is in the name of the drive modes, but I still wanted to touch on it. So this thing features 3 main drive modes as well as an EV mode, and how they're all enabled is down here on the center console. So the drive mode switch over here, going up and down, will switch between sport, normal, and eco. And the EV mode over here is just a button which you will push, which will harness the battery that you have charged up, and you can cruise around on full electric power. So switching between the modes will display right up here. So right now in sport, going down normal. Normal does not display any text right there. Eco displays eco. So when you go into EV mode, it will display EV mode right there. And you can also cycle between all the different modes. Now, I will say, while you can be in sport mode and EV mode can only really be enabled in the lower speeds around 20 miles an hour. And you're not going to be in sport mode and EV mode and harness any sort of extra battery power in some sort of Formula One like racing experience, because it will just kick you back out of EV mode. But to go through the modes, sport obviously provides you a more sporty driving experience, basically the full performance potential of the Venza, whatever your definition of that is, it will be provided. Normal is the standard normal setting of the vehicle, how it can be driven no matter what. And eco will provide you with the most fuel efficient driving experience. Basically, if you can be in eco and EV mode at the same time cruising around, you're going to be saving the most fuel, have the most green experience, as most would say. But that's just quickly showcasing how to switch between the drive modes in the 2021 Toyota Venza. Thanks for watching.